See a man give me a buckle of water. Where you do the water? Man say for water down the soup because they just want soup. Right now we have throw water in our soup. Yeah. And game soup. Soup too sweet. Man. Yeah, man say soup too sweet. Throw a little water in it and game.
Yeah, I said the soup too sweet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. If the chef continue to serve them a soup, I'm going to have a problem.
Yeah, man.
Because the soup too sweet.
Yes, man. See it, I eat this.
The last I eat that.
The last I eat this. The man they want the soup, so I give them the soup.
Look at that, guys. Carrot just for garnish.
Just for garnish. For the color, you know?
Yes. It's a big pot here, so yeah, man.
Might have to add a little more, but
yeah,
we'll mix this one.
Yeah.
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Yes. Pasta salad will be coming up shortly.
Yes.
It's already prepped for it, as you can see. Some of the prepping is here for the pasta salad.
Yes.
Pasta cook off, cooling down in the cooler. So as soon as I done with this, I get through to that.
Alright. So, where you do it now, chef? Where you cook now? Where you look after now?
Bammy, where they are going to fry.
Some bammy?
Yeah.
Eh?
There's some set fry already.
Oh, yeah, set. So, so, wait.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, you put the bammy in your sauce?
Yeah. You know, we have a sauce, yeah, so we'll put it in and make it go and soak and thing. You know, drop it in a fryer off. Yeah.
Ah. So, you know, so the bammy full of flavor?
Full of flavor. Yeah. Everything cooked out and Floss, full of flavor.
Full of flavor?
Full.
Alright, alright. Yeah, bammy right here, so.
Right there.
Curry goat?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is the get a touch of everything.
Guys, not telling a lie, no? Chef in my body, you know? I'm not telling a lie. Chef in my body. Eat that guy. Him a one of the chef, you know? What's how you deal with the seafood?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm not telling a lie. But I want to bodies now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. But
Crayfish and thing, you know?
you say you crayfish, you mussel.
Yeah, man.
You mussel, conch.
Yeah, man.
And what else you have in there?
We have squid in it.
Squid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just want to see that.
Yeah.
Sea pot.
Nice guys, really nice. So what you say, we are about now, chef, some ackee.
Ackee and saltfish.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Run low again, you know? Second run.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See the guys.
Yeah, man.
Ackee are going straight off for the second round. Yeah.
Sky, what kind? Sky, what kind?
You say second round, the chef?
Second round.
Yeah.
Do it for the first round, liquid already.
Yeah.
So they have to do some more breakfast, you know?
Alright.
Yeah.
So this is for ackee and saltfish?
Yeah, man.
Look at that, guys. Yes. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Spice it up, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Is there a reason why you do that?
Shake it.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I mash it up, you know? It's a 1-2 shake, you know?
Yeah.
Look around now.
We have the Alfredo sauce, right?
Yeah, the Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce for pasta.
So we just add into that now.
This is just garlic.
Okay.
Normally we use white wine.
Yes.
But we are Jamaican, so we use white rum.
White rum. Yes. So you know, so this one is a strong one. Flavor up.
Yes.
Show the people them what we mean white rum. Show the people them the rum.
Ray and nephew.
Ray and nephew. Overproof. Alright. Look at the size. Yeah. Yeah, I see. See that, guys? So, a reason why you light it?
Yeah, burn the spirit.
Burn the spirit.
Yeah.
Alright.
We add our cream.
Yeah.
Pour it down with the cream. And it's gonna take, we're gonna add all the creams to it and let it cook slowly.
Okay.
It's gonna cook down to cream.
Oh, okay.
Gonna simmer to cream. So slow cooking.
Yeah.
It's me!
You said it.
Here I.
Yeah, we use heavy whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream.
Yeah, it's recommended.
Okay.
So we use mostly whipping cream. 35%.
Yes.
And we use some 2% to add a little more to it because 35% is a bit pricey.
Yes.
So we just
Balance it out
balance
with
it out with some 2%.
Yes.
You can use 10%, you can use 3%, you can use 5%
Okay.
also, but
Yeah.
35% is essential.
Okay.
But that's where you get the cream.
Yes, that's where you get the cream?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna line up a pot so we can get some festival.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes.
You know, the people now reach and they want them festival.
Yes.
Yes, so me have to do that quick and fast.
Alright. Yes.
See it here, I make an oil go hot.
Yes.
And then something there, they will get the festival and just drop in a pot.
Alright.
Yeah. Come never test the oil.
Yeah.
See if the oil ready for the festival, them, you know?
Yes.
So see it there, I drop one in line to test it.
Alright.
You know?
Yeah.
See it there, it's ready, it's so ready.
Yeah.
So now start make again.
You start make some more.
Start make some more, no?
Alright. What is a chef? Yeah, look out some next.
Steam fish.
Steam fish.
Next set of fish.
Next
steam.
set up, yeah.
Yeah. Now we have to keep it going, you know.
Yes.
So the people them rich,
Yeah.
and just get them fish and move.
Alright.
Yeah man, see that now the first set of festival is ready, you know?
Ready?
Yeah.
Nice and golden brown. Look at that.
Alright.
Very good.
Yeah man, you ready man, curve up mud.
So dumpling.
Drop me on the night, you know?
Yeah.
Chop off, you know?
Alright. What that's it? Right now, what you say I get prepared for now, chef?
Pasta salad.
Pasta salad.
Yes.
Alright.
So we add in a little vegetable.
Yes.
Add it timely. So that everything can balance.
Yes.
Little purple onion, the yellow pepper, little green pepper, a little red pepper. Catch that beautiful color. Because salad is a colorful thing.
Yes. It's all
like
different
it's
colors.
come from the garden, so it must look like the garden. It's a little chopped cucumber. And then we add a little chopped parsley. Mix it in.
No, this is the reason why they make so much festival, because from the years it does a make festival, and so you make it so it go, right?
Yeah. A different batch going in now, you know, because trust me.
Yes.
People love dumpling. People love boiled dumpling, fried dumpling at festival. They love it.
Yes.
So,
Yes. Guys, look at that. Festival.
Yeah, that's a bit of a spoil.
but no, I'm not gonna do it good.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Balance, man. See chef there, you know. Bad chef that, you know.
Guarantee you.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not gonna eat one. Three.
Three.
Yeah.
I'll skip and reach a tree.
Alright.
Yeah, tell her that.
So you can't eat one. You have to eat more than one.
Yeah.
Alright, that guys. Look at that. Nothing but greatness right here.
Pumpkin.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
I drop in some cup on top, you know.
Yes.
Eat more. In the back, you know.
Yes, yes.
Alright, real doctor, man. Nice and soft.
Yes.
No skin up. You see that? No skin up.
That's all, man. That's
No
all.
skin up.
Yes.
Isn't it? Off like that. One. Straight breathing this.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Oh, I know they will give you a roast and dip.
Roast and dip.
You understand it?
Roast and dip.
Yeah, man, you put it on your file pan and roast it, man.
Yeah.
Dip it back in the salt water. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, roast and dip, man.
See it there, guys. Look
Real
at that.
thing.
Look at that. This is the doctor fish right here, so steam.
Yeah,
And then
just...
just...
the girl them back.
Alright. Yeah.
Like that.
Alright. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Huh? Nothing but greatness right here, so. Look at the flavor, look how. So yeah, I said, oh, chef.
Yeah, well, you know, we are doing some grilling, I know, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are steamed, and we don't burn, you know? We don't burn chicken, we steam chicken.
Steam chicken.
Yeah. We don't burn chicken. Yeah, man, St. Thomas jerk, you know?
St. Thomas
Yeah,
jerk.
man, all season, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Real thing this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, nowhere else.
I'm going to say, you jerk it, you not burn it, you know?
No, steam chicken.
Steam.
Yeah, with a burn chicken.
Alright,
Yeah,
so.
man. Alright, you're good then. Oh, very sure. Dry. They soft?
Yes.
Yeah. Real moist.
Yeah.
When I say moist, you check me, you feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. As I say, what we do? When I burn chicken,
Steam it.
yeah. See that? Cook right through.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
See that?
Nice. Yeah, man. It's a juice now.
Steam. Pasta veg.
Pasta veg.
Yeah.
Alright.
Vegetable cookie pasta.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So we have a little green onion, we have real onion, we have carrot, we have a little sweet pepper in between. You already can see it still, but it's there. It is there.
Alright.
Yeah, so. Yeah, man, this is a pasta sauce. Same way, you know? It takes a while to cream down.
Okay.
So we have to put all the water.
Yes.
All the water to cream.
Okay.
And when it's creamy now, that's the time we season
Yes.
and get him ready for pasta.
Alright. Yes, chef.
Yeah, you know it, but we have some brown stew now over here, so I get ready and prepare for them.
Yes.
You see me? So if you look, take a look. That you see.
See that, guys? Brown stew snapper. Huh? Nice.
Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
But this one mixed with Romano.
Okay.
It's still good to use.
Yeah.
I give it the flavor in the pasta sauce. Add it. Whisk it out.
Yes.
Simmer down again. Let it stay and simmer.
Yeah.
And continue whisk it until it's fully dissolved. Then you add your salt and pepper. Add the Parmesan cheese first because it is salty. If you add the salt and pepper first, you might don't get the salt it might be too salt for the Parmesan. And the Parmesan is where the flavor is.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Parmesan cheese first, then you add salt and pepper to taste. Yeah.
There's a drop them in a fryer now, sir.
Yeah, man, right now fry, you know?
Yes.
Slow fry, 300, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go move on. Brown shellfish.
Brown shellfish.
Corn, you know? The carrot and your greatness. See that?
Yes.
We should go like, yo, TV should have smell, don't? Cha.
Alright guys, so you see when we talk about cookout and floss, and it's not just little curry goat or the little fried chicken. No, we're talking about the whole 9 yard. You know what I mean? So right now we show you some fish earlier, but this is just a tip off of the iceberg. So right now we're gonna show you fish.
Yeah, people, so we have blue tail parrotfish.
Blue tail parrotfish.
And we have red tail parrotfish also.
Show me the blue tail parrotfish. So for all who don't know about the blue tail parrotfish.
Alright, so that's a nice one.
Yes. That's a blue tail parrotfish.
Yeah. So
Yes.
the blue tail parrotfish.
Yes.
And these are the red tail parrotfish.
Okay. Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
And we also have some red snapper.
Yes.
You know, the base also, you know. And we showed them the first time I thought, so we have some red snapper there also, you know.
Yes.
So, yeah, we just thaw them out, clean them up. When I'm clean up all this stuff, I thaw them out, give them some minor cleaning,
Yeah.
season them up,
Yeah.
let them go and rest about probably an hour. And then hit the cooking, hit the pots.
Alright.
Whether we are fry, whether we are steam, whether we are jerk it, whether we are roast it,
Yeah.
or whether we are brown stew it.
Yes.
Yeah,
Alright.
that is it.
Yeah. So our chicken them come along, sir.
Yeah, you know, chicken them, the fried chicken them so ready, you know. In the next 5 minutes and them ready.
And I'm ready.
Yeah.
You know, so don't show number one seller.
Yeah, man.
You know that already.
Every year.
Number one. Yeah, always. Yeah, so this is how we make the pasta now. We have the shrimp ready. See, your butterfly.
Yeah.
Gonna saute them. Nice. Make sure shrimp is well sauteed.
Yes.
You don't cook it too long because it's gonna get rubbery.
Yeah. You don't overcook it.
No, you don't overcook it. Give it a little time.
Yeah.
So it can cook properly.
Yeah.
It's me. I want the people in here what they say. What they making?
Oh, they'll check out the YouTube channel. Tell them check me.
That is it.
Check out Kelvin and Friends Cookout. That's what I want to subscribe. It's me, Chef Leroy, representing.
Yeah, man.
Cookout and Floss.
Alright. What is that, chef?
Bad thing, Cookout and Floss 2024. Over there, Van, Big Chef Leroy, Chef Andre, Charlie Brown, and me and Judah in the kitchen, everything, man.
Alright.
So, we're gonna have our veg now.
Yeah.
So while the veg is cooking, the shrimp is also cooking. Stir it in.
Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
So guys, you don't have to have salt and pepper anymore.
Yeah.
Or anything because everything is in the sauce.
Okay. Okay. So no salt and pepper.
No salt and pepper. Everything is in the sauce.
Shrimp Alfredo.
Gonna add the sauce now.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Then we add the shrimp. A little parsley on top. Mix in. And some crushed red pepper. Some crushed red pepper. And then you stir in everything.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Man, delicious.
The sauce is not enough. And you can add a little more.
Yes.
Now pasta tends to be dry at times.
Yeah. They add some more
While
sauce.
it sits,
Yeah.
it's gonna get a little dry. You add enough sauce. So when it sits, the sauce is still there. This is how shrimp pasta should look.
Yes.
You see the shrimp?
Yes.
When you butterfly it, you get this finish.
Nice. So when you order a pasta meal, you know say you have to get a shrimp in it. Because look at that, guys. Look at the shrimp, them big and just one thing is pasta not short of shrimp. Look nice and creamy. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Wow. That is it.
So that's the finishing, guys. You can add a little more cheese to it.
Yes.
If you wish.
Yeah.
Cheese can't too much because cheese makes the pasta more tasty.
Yes. Give it that flavor, right?
Right. That's your shrimp pasta finish. Right here.
Yeah.
Guys, it takes about 5 minutes to complete.
Yes.
When you have everything prepped and ready to go.
Alright.
Excellent. Cookout. Rich. Soup rich and nice and tasty good. Everything good. Everything good. Great.
Yeah. Nice. What kind of soup you have?
I'm having seafood soup.
Seafood?
Seafood soup. Plus my nice plate of food them here. Good time, yeah.
Alright.
Original chef them here have reached.
Yes.
No, you did a video.
Where's my food?
Christ. Charlie and Clean Boss Cookout.
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright, alright. Yeah.
Cheers.
What you say, chef?
Yeah man, see it now.
Chicken ready?
Fried chicken ready. That is it. So
Right.
beautiful. Beautiful.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Yeah.
That is it. See that?
Man, chef, I'm ready to put up some more rock in the fryer.
Come on. The more KFC.
Yeah.
Yeah man, see it now. You know we have a barbie fry in a set here.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So we have put some of the sauce so we make on the fried chicken and put it in a barbie fry. You know? Heat it start.
Yeah.
And then heat and look at flip.
Look at that, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So what I fries, you know, KFC and
That is it.
Papa and nothing on them there. Yeah. No.
I think the singer, yes. The singer is, and the ringer.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man.
I don't know, man. I went Father Charlie, man. You don't know.
Yeah.
Food well up and running, man. Want the people them forward and come enjoy themselves and get them belly fed. You know understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. The outside, you understand?
What kind of food you get?
Yeah, man. You know, see a stew fish with rice and peas, cold started and stuff. We have the vegetable as well. Yeah, man. The up, man. See that? You have the good soup right there, so
Yeah.
man, it's water nice.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That is it.
That is it, man.
Yo, chef. What you say?
Yeah. See, at 6 o'clock this morning, I know we're still there.
Still there.
Still there dealing with fish. See there?
Gosh. Man. Look at that, people. Still a fry, still a fry. Yes.
Never stop.
What you say, chef?
Don't know, some brown soapfish and lick again. Last minute brown soapfish, bummy, steamed veg. You don't know, it's all about the cookout and Floss. John Chef, Charlie Brown, Leroy. You don't know a thing over there. Hold it power. Can't hear them all. See there? Hold it.
Mad.
I lost I soup, sir.
I lost I soup.
Last I soup.
But how much pot?
But a 3 pot.
But a 3 pot.
3 are the same size.
Oh, God.
Same size pot.
Man.
Yeah, man, I lost like this. People are waiting for them. Show them a crowd. Show them a crowd. Chef, show them Spanish soup. I say, water that soup. Water that
People, party done and people there so still warm. Food. Yeah, man, as the chef say, you know, 3 pot of soup and it done. Chef.
Right now, we have about 10 more cases of fish. It's a lot.
Man.
Mad.
Yeah, man, give me a bucket of water. Where do the water? Man, say for water down the soup because they just want soup. Right now, we have throw water in our soup.
Yeah.
And game soup. Soup too sweet.
Man.
Yeah, man, say soup too sweet. Throw a little water in it and game.
What talk to you? What on, brother? What you say about the soup?
Yeah, I said the soup too sweet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
If the chef continue to serve them a soup, I'm going to have a problem.
Yeah, man.
Because the soup too sweet.
Yes, man.
So you have to water it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to water it down.
Yeah, man, best chef, man.
Best chef in
Bring
the
that
town.
out. Bring that out, best chef, man.
A Charlie cheer them still, you know?
Yeah, man, bring that out. Best chef, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water stunting, see it, yeah?
See it there, see it there.
That's it. You have to water it down.
That's true. Man. What is it, chef? In the morning, you still have your
In the morning, I'm still have your fried fish. No.
Hold on. You make it.
In the morning, I'm still have your fried fish. See it, yeah? I eat this.
And last I eat
The
that.
last I eat this, the man they want the soup, so I give them the soup.
Gosh. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys.
Man, they say throw water in it, you throw water in it, and the man still want the soup.
Nah, the chicken there.
Yeah? They say over 500, 300 fish. Fish for days. I tell you, master. And you still there look for fish. It was a success, yes. Yeah. Alright, sir. Yes, guys, so right now I'm in the kitchen and honestly all of the food done except the fish, and right now I got them there fry up right now. So yes, it's a good look still. It's a good look for all the food that we see today. So remember, subscribe, like and share was a success. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little clip of what's going on outside. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'll give you a little clip of what's going on outside, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
Where is the chef?
Yeah, man, you don't know it's all about cookout and floss. You know, year to year, same thing.
Yes.
So you don't know, say, we have a whole thing on the menu. We have some lobster, we have some shrimp, and we have some fish.
Yeah.
You don't know what thing go.
Right.
It's all about the Charlie and the clean boss cookout.
Up.
Up.
Up. Yes, guys. You can see. I'll give you a little clip, you know, and show you what go on outside, you know, because people outside ram and food sell out. Yes. So remember, like up the video and make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, go and subscribe because trust me, it's a good look. Cookout and Floss 2024. That is it.
Cookout and Floss, sell out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything done. Look, where festival there? Ask the money now. You don't want to spoil, right?
Nah.
Done, it's done.
Yeah, when I buy this festival, maybe I eat, man.
And Floss, sell out, man. No more food there.
No more food.
No more.
Everywhere.
Alright,
We
sir.
have about 300 pounds of fish. Done.
See it there?
You said 300 pounds of fish, what?
Done. Alright. And the festival, done.
44 pounds.
Done. Alright. Alright, brother. Yeah, man.
Yeah, boys on attack, you know more, big up Kelvin and friends. You understand, I'm going to cook up, I'm going to check it out on YouTube. Share and subscribe, yeah.